So children, the last part of our chapter presentation software special effects is the practical that is given on page number 68. There are two practicals and we will do the second practical, that is using charts applying formatting effects. Create a create a new presentation by using blank presentation. PowerPoint displays a new presentation with a title slide. Click on the Layout button on the Home tab and choose the title and content slide. So, Layout, and you have to choose the title and content slide. Click on the title placeholder and type Performance Sheet. Click on the chart icon. The insert chart dialog box appears. So this is your insert chart. This dialog box appears in front of you and you can select your desired chart and say OK. The chart will be displayed with the database sheet in a separate window. Move the mouse pointer to the large blank button on the data sheet at the upper left corner of the column indicator. So here you will move your cursor. Mouse pointer changes into a large plus sign. Click on the button. The entire data sheet will be selected. Press Delete key. Type the data in the data sheet as given in the table. Close the data sheet. So the table is given in page number 68. We have to type this table. So in the first A1 cell, we will just type name. Then we will press the tab key and then we will type physics, then tab key, chemistry, then biology. Now in A2 cell you have to type the name. So Arisha. Then next you have to press the down arrow key, Naveen. Down arrow key, Riddhima. Down arrow key, Kabir. Down arrow key, Ankita. So in the A6 cell we have typed the name of Ankita. Then we will go to the B2 cell and we will enter the data. So Arisha gets 76 in physics, 75 Naveen gets in physics, Riddhima gets 92, Kabir gets 89 and Ankita again gets 85 in physics. Now in chemistry, Arisha gets 81, Naveen gets 85, Riddhima gets 82, Kabir gets 91 and Ankita gets 86. In biology, Arisha gets 80, Naveen gets 79, Riddhima gets 94, Kabir gets 91 and Ankita gets 83. Okay, so this is the data. that we are supposed to feed into the data sheet. Okay, so what is written? Type the data in the data sheet as given in the table and close the data sheet. So we will close this data sheet. Okay, now right click on the chart and click on the edit data option. So we will bring our mouse on the chart area and we will just right click over here, and you can see edit data option over here. Now click on this. Again you will get this data sheet and click on B2 cell. So it is saying that you have to click on B2 cell and you have to type 65. That means Alisha gets a 65, and in the cell B4 type type B4, that means Riddhima gets 56 in physics. Okay, so these are the changes. There is one more change. You can see, children, we cannot see the name of Ankita over here, so we have to just increase the selected data sheet a little bit. Now you can see name of Ankita also in the chart because it was not selected in the data sheet, so we were not able to see the name of Ankita over here. Now you can see it. Now in your practical it is saying that after changing the data you have to notice the change in the chart. Okay, so because chart is a graphical or a pictorial representation of the data, so whatever data you are feeding in the data sheet, you can see the representation on the chart area. Who has from this you can easily understand that Kabir is getting maximum in all the subjects. So without looking at the data, also from the chart we can see that Kabir is getting maximum, is the highest in all the subjects mostly, whereas individually Riddhima is getting highest in the biology, and so on. Like with the help of chart also we can understand who is getting the highest, which range and all. So this is how we use chart. Okay, now in the practical it is said that we have to notice the change and then select the heading, change the font size to 14 and font as Tahoma. So we will just select this heading as it is set and we will just change the font to Tahoma. Okay, it is there and it should be 14. Coming very small, so we'll just increase it a little bit. Okay, then move the mouse pointer to y-axis, right click and select the format axis. So you can see that when we are plotting a chart, so the horizontal side is said x-axis and this vertical side is called y-axis. So we have to click on the y-axis. You can see this y-axis, it has selected, and you know that most of all the marks are starting from 50, so we don't need 0, 10, 20, 30. So we can change this by right clicking over here. You have to click on the format axis and the minimum you can see over here is starting from 50. So we will just change the range from 50 because all the marks are starting from 50. Below 50 there is no marks, so 50 is okay. We will just change 50 over here and we can see that the chart has been changed. Now you can see 50 over here. The chart is starting, y-axis is starting from marks 50. On the x-axis we can see the name of the children, and in the y-axis the marks that they are getting. Clear? So you can now understand more nicely that Riddhima has got highest in biology and Kabir has got maximum, mostly maximum in all the subjects. Okay, now in your chart you can see that right click on the plot area and select format plot area. So we will just right click on the chart. Now this is the plot area where you can see these grids. These are the this is the format area of your chart. Now you have to click on the format plot area, and when you will click on the format plot area, you will be able to see this dialog box, and from here, as it is said in your practical, that you have to click on the picture or texture fill. So you can click over picture and texture fill. You can insert your own picture also, and you can insert your own texture also. That depends upon you, and you can make your chart better. Okay, whatever you wish, you can click, and you can, it depends upon you what kind of texture you want. So it depends upon you what color you want over here. Okay, then right click on the legend box. Now this is also very important thing. Legend box is where you can see physics, chemistry, biology if you want it on the side of the chart. So this is the legend box. So you have to just click over here, right click over here, and change the, and you have to click on the format legend. As soon as you are clicking on the format legend, you will be able to see this dialog box, and you want it on the right side. So you have to just click on the right, and you can see this is the legend box, and it has come to the right of your chart. Okay, so we can change the position of the legend. So this is called the legend. Choose the ratio button, right? You have seen that we have done, and then press the Ctrl+S to save the file. So this is the practical that is given on page number 68 and 69 that you have to do, and you have to save this file, performance sheet, save it, and you can see that your presentation is saved with the help of performance sheet. Okay, so this is your chart. So children, we come to the end of the chapter presentation software special effects, and this is practical number 5 that you have to write the steps in your computer notebook. Thank you for watching the video. We will meet again in the next video. Bye.